This series is called the Premiere Pro Beginner's Guide 2026. It is a complete beginner's class and it is totally free. There are no extra steps, no hidden costs. You can follow along from start to finish, and by the end you will have all the basics you need to begin your journey as a video editor. Hi, I'm Marco Maldera. I'm a director, VFX artist, editor, designer, and AI creative. For the past 15 years, I've worked on projects across the United States and Europe, from feature films and television to commercials and social media content. Welcome back to my channel. My goal here is simple. I want to take everything I've learned and break Premiere Pro down into something clear, practical, and easy to follow. So, let's get started by opening Premiere Pro. Once you have installed Premiere Pro, click the icon to launch it. The start screen will open and you will see a few options. New project to start something fresh. Open project if you want to continue editing something you worked on before, and a Learn tab where Adobe offers built-in tutorials. You might also see a templates option when starting a new project. Templates are ready-made setups for common formats like social media clips, commercials, or short films. But in this course, we will build everything step by step. Before we get started, let me quickly mention the version I am working with for this course. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro 2025 version 25.5. If you want to check your own version, go to Premiere Pro, click About Premiere Pro, and you will see the number there. Now, if you're on an older version, do not worry. The interface will look almost the same and everything I teach will still work. Creating a project. For this video, we will choose New Project. When the window opens, the first thing you want to do is give your project a name. Let us call this one Test Project 1. Use names that are clear and specific so you can always find your work later. Next, choose where to save your project. Click the location drop-down and pick a folder on your computer. I will save mine to a folder on the desktop. Quick tip, keep everything related to your project in one folder. It will save you a lot of stress later. Click Create, Importing Media. Now let us bring in some footage. On the left side, you'll see your local folders and any connected devices. For example, I can go to my desktop, find a folder called Footages, and decide which files to bring in. You can import an entire folder or just specific clips. If you are not sure what is in a video, switch to Grid View. Make the icons bigger and scrub through the thumbnail to preview it before importing. It is a quick way to double-check your shots. You can also sort files by name or date, filter by type, such as only videos or only images, or search for something specific. Once you have made your selection, either check the box next to the folder or drag to select multiple files. Import settings. On the right side of the window, you will see some extra options. Copy media. This is great if you are using an external drive. It copies everything onto your computer so you do not lose files when the drive is disconnected. If your files are already in one folder, you can leave this off. Create new bin. A bin is just a folder inside Premiere. With this on, all your imports go into a new bin automatically, which helps keep things tidy. Create new sequence. This would drop your clip straight onto a timeline. For now, leave it off. I will show you how to build a sequence from scratch in the next lesson. Automatic transcription. This generates subtitles from dialogue. We will not use it here, so keep it disabled. Once everything looks good, click Import inside the project Premiere. Now open your project. On the left, you will see your new bin with all the audio, video, and images we imported. Everything is there and ready to go. It is not perfectly organized yet, and that is fine. In the next video, I will show you better methods for importing and keeping everything structured. Today, we explored the import window. Remember, you can always click Import again to bring in more files. Right now, we are in the Edit workspace, and later in the course, we will also cover the Export workspace. That is it for this first step. You now know how to create a new project, set up your save location, and import your first files. In the next video, we will focus on the layout of Premiere Pro and learn how to navigate its main panels and tools. Before you go, I wanted to share an amazing deal, especially if you're looking to upgrade your editing toolkit. My friends at AE Juice are running a huge Black Friday sale, and I've added my affiliate links in the video description so you can grab the discounts directly. The I Want It All bundle is 98% off right now. It includes everything from the Premiere Pro bundle, plus tons of extra assets for motion graphics and visual effects. I use their toolkits all the time, and they're incredibly helpful for speeding up workflow and giving your videos a more professional look. You can also check out the All Access subscription, which is 50% off, or try their free plugins to get a taste of what they offer. All the links are below. Using them helps support the channel. Of course, if you appreciate this class and want to support my work, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and follow me on social media. It really helps and I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.